everyone, welcome back to AMC India. Today I am going to show you how to make sprouts and spinach curry. Let's start. To make curry, I am using Eurasia wok. I am switching on the flame. First we have to preheat the wok. I am setting the audio tone to roasting window. It has reached roasting window. I am switching the flame to low. Add 1 spoon of oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, onion, fry until the onion changes its color. I'm adding ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, I'm adding few curry leaves. I've taken 1 cup of sprouts. I'm using mixed sprouts. You can use sprouts of your choice. Now I'm adding 1 whole bunch of spinach. Now we have to close the lid and cook it for 4 minutes in carrot window. Cooking time is completed. I'm adding coriander. Switch off the flame and let it rest for 5 minutes. 5 minutes have been completed. Our sprouts and spinach curry is ready to serve. Sprouts and spinach curry is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching AMC India YouTube channel for more interesting recipes.